In this video, how to delete Venmo account. I will show you step by step how to delete your Venmo account. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Log into your account using your email or phone number. After logging in, tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the option called Settings. Inside Settings, find the option called Account. Tap Account to view account options. Now look for the option called Close Account. Tap Close Account to begin the process. Before continuing, make sure your balance is 0. If you have money in the account, transfer the balance first. Go to the Transfer section of the app. Send the balance to your bank account. Now return to the Account settings. Tap Close Account again. The app may ask you to confirm the action. Confirm that you want to delete the account. After that, your Venmo account will be closed. You will no longer be able to access the account. This is how you can delete your Venmo account easily.